Hi Lucy.
Hi Matt.
Today we are going to learn about how to be polite or formal.
So Matt, I have a surprise for you.
Really? What is it?
So I worked on it all night. What do you think? I think it looks just like you.
It could be improved.
What do you mean?
Well, let me show you. If you want to be polite, one structure you can use is this one. You need a modal verb, then the verb be, then the PP, the past participle. So, for example, it could be improved.
So what's a modal verb again?
That's something like could, can, may.
Might, should.
Exactly.
Okay. And what's the be for? Does it change?
No. Keep the be just be. And it's there to make the modal passive. That means we aren't focusing on the subject.
What do you mean?
Well, I could say, Lucy, you could improve it.
Yeah, I mean, why didn't you say, Lucy, you could improve your beautiful drawing?
I could say that, but it's very direct and a little rude. In that sentence, I'm focusing on you. Instead, I'm trying to be polite and focus on the drawing instead. So I'm not talking about you. So, it could be improved.
Okay. Now, what's this PP again?
Good question. This is the past participle, the other past form of the verb. So, do becomes done, go becomes gone.
And improve becomes improved.
Exactly.
Okay, so what did we learn today?
Well, we learned how to be polite or formal using modal, then the verb be plus PP.
Cool.
Excellent. Now, as for your art skills...
Now look, Matt, I know I'm great. This kind of skill can't be taught.
Hello there! Hey, if you enjoyed that, you'll enjoy lots more at e2school.com. Check out the website, and also if you haven't yet done it, hit the subscribe button.